Hi, my name is Nick Guzman. This is my truck. It's a 1951 Chevy pickup. I built it, I started up on my birthday, which was March of 1999, and I finished it on October the 21st. That was her first car show. It took me 7 months to build it completely from scratch, and that was my first car show in Brawley, California. I always wanted to have a truck like this. My son, John, and when I bought it, we just wanted to have it a daily driver, but he encouraged me to build something, you know, to take it to car shows, and that's how I always started. And this is basically what we came up with. So, thank you very much.
Hi, this is Don and Cindy Federline from Port Hueneme, California. I'd like to introduce you to our Durant 1930. It's a deluxe sedan. We found it in Bishop about a year and a half ago. It's only got about 43,000 miles on it. It has a casting date of 16 December 1929.
That's on the engine, right?
That's on the engine. Yeah. It's basically original. It has been repainted about 3 years ago, but it's just a super, super car. All the instruments work, lights work, car runs good. We drove it here.
No turn signals.
Yeah, and no seatbelts. Okay. The police are a little bit leery of us, but we get here. Anyway, we're enjoying the show here in Fillmore. It's a big show, about 350 cars. Some real, real great people, and they've made great comments.
Lovely cars besides ours.
Oh, yeah. Well, we're
lovely
the best.
This has been great.
That's all right.
Let's get out of your way.
Am I too shadowed?
Lights, action, camera, little dance. Oh, I can't wait to see this.
Hi, I'm Cecilia Huber, and my husband Bob and I put on this car show, the Sespe Creek. It used to be a chili cook-off and car show. Now it's the Sespe Creek Car Show and Festival. And this is my 41 Chevy. It is women built, by women for women. It is Pepto-Bismol Pink, and that's because we give guys heartburn. And this is my husband's 47 Mercury, and that is a Lexus Blue. They both have 350 Chevy engines and 350 turbo transmissions. They're drivers. If you see it on a trailer, it's stolen. And he's just done his upholstery. That is a fuzzy blanket in flames. We just didn't go to Tijuana to get the Tijuana upholstery. Robert, come here. This is my husband. Now look at what he's doing. Anyway, Fillmore. Come on, Robert.
Come on, Robert.
This is my long-suffering husband who has been caused to get into car shows, but he started me in the car world, so it's his fault. We've done this show for over 18 years. We generally have 340 some cars. That's all we can put in. It is pre-registered. Every car has its own parking spot. You can come when you want, leave when you want. We have great fireworks at dusk at the Fillmore football stadium. Fillmore is your basic Midwestern town in Southern California. Yet you will find nothing but hospitable people here. This car show is put on for scholarships for our high school students. We generally get a crowd of 25 or 30,000 people. So it's a fun day. Come out and enjoy, buy your fireworks, listen to our band, which is House of Rest, and eat and enjoy Fillmore.
Paid commercial.